Hey guys, this is Sad Man, and today I'm going to be showing you the JVC VideoMovie GR-AX720. It came out in 1996, and I got it at a thrift store that wasn't Goodwill for $15. And when I got it, it came with this little JVC branded carrying case right here, and it even came with some bonus stuff such as charger cables, bonus batteries, and even the remote. And I'm going to show you the remote right now. Alright, here's the remote that came with. And here's the front of it. And here's the back of it. And here's the text on the back of it. And it came with the camcorder in its carrying case. Also, here's one side of it. And here's the infrared sensor. And the other side. And that's pretty much it. Back to the camcorder. Now it takes VHS-C tapes and not super VHS-C, just standard VHS-C. It also has a color viewfinder, as said right here. And there's also a light and a lens cover. And here's a little microphone. I'm going to turn the camcorder on. And now it's on right here. Anyway, here's our test video that I took from this camcorder. Alright, here's a test video for the JVC VideoMovie camcorder. And right now, you can see the trees and the bushes. You hear the birds chirping. Anyway, so I'll say for now. Bye. Anyway, let me go to the side of it. There's the menu button, like, doesn't seem to do anything. There's a select and set button, and there's the wheel for the modes, and there's the plus, minus, far, and near. I don't know what they do. There's push and eject, ejects for ejecting the tape, and there's the battery, and like it's hard to see right now, but there's a battery release under the battery. It's a big battery. There's a light, off, auto, and on. There's play, power off, and camera. There's the little wheel, and a red button for recording. And you pull this up. There's the little playback buttons for playing and editing the tape. And I gotta try and pull this off. Let's see if I can pull this off. Right here is the audio and video. It's mono audio. And right here is a W and a T. That's for zooming in, zooming out, and demonstrate for you right now. And no, the lens doesn't move. And now I'm gonna show you some of the modes. I'm gonna dial through them blindly, see if you can guess them. Hard to turn the wheel. Hard to turn the wheel. But there's... Alright, now I have it set to black and white mode. And it's in black and white. And I have it set to another mode with a moon and a star on it. I don't know what that does. In fact, I don't know what any of these modes do except for that black and white mode. Now let me go change it back to lock auto and now. Anyway, so I'll say it for now. Hope you enjoyed it.